Hello everyone, I am Fatimatul Shahia from class ninth. So I am here to present a math art integrated project. I am in group 2 and my group consists of 9 members. First of all, we would like to express our special thanks of gratitude to my teacher Mrs. Anju ma'am, as well as our principal Shaji sir and vice principal Mrs. Faiza ma'am, who gave us the golden opportunity to do this wonderful project on the topic comparison between COVID reports in Kerala and Himachal Pradesh, which also helped me in doing a lot of research and we came to know about so many new things. We are really thankful to them. Secondly, I would also like to thank my parents and classmates who helped me a lot in finalizing this project within the limited time frame. One idea that appears everywhere in mathematics is abstraction. Instead of thinking about particular numbers, shapes, equations, or any other objects, mathematicians tend to think about their underlying structures and patterns. This means that the result, called theorems, are more general and provide deeper insight. Statistics is a mathematical body of science that pertains to the collection, analysis, interpretation, or explanation and presentation of data or as a branch of mathematics. Some consider statistics to be a distinct mathematical science rather than a branch of mathematics. While many scientific investigations make use of data, statistics is concerned with the use of data in the context of uncertainty and decision making in the face of uncertainty. Live statistics and coronavirus news tracking the number of confirmed cases, recovered patients, tests, and death toll due to the COVID 19. This project is to show the statistics of two states, Kerala, which is situated in the south of India near the coasters, and Himachal Pradesh, a state lying in the northern part of India near the western Himalayas. This PPT shows the comparisons between both states based on the number of cases, recovery, death, etc. This project's aim is to show the COVID cases in both states, to show the number of cases increasing every day, making people understand the increasing number of cases and prevent themselves from the virus. The main objective is to find the improvement in both states and give more health facilities for the states. This database also helps us in identifying the most affected state and recoveries in both states. Kerala and COVID 19. Kerala, the Godson country at the extreme south, is famous for its crankle backborders, unspot beaches, art forms, and spices. It is also famous for its charming houseboats, sprawling tea plantation, Ayurvedic treatments, magnificent architecture, and unforgettable culinary experiences. Kerala is named as one of the 10 paradises of the world by National Geographical travelers. The ongoing pandemic has wreaked immense and lasting damage to India's economy. The state of Kerala, which successfully handled India's first cases of the pandemic, is now on the list of top 10 states with maximum caseloads. However, at the beginning, Kerala captured the attention of worldwide media and was appreciated for the efficient management of COVID 19. But after constant increase in cases, COVID patients has crossed 10,000 on October 10th, and the test positivity rate went up to 13 to 14%. According to the statistical experts, the sudden change in the trends is described as statistical noise or secular trend. Himachal Pradesh and COVID 19. Himachal Pradesh, popularly known as the Land of God, is a state in northern India, a beautiful estate with its lofty snow-clad mountain, river valleys, and many historical heritage sites. It is a home to scenic mountain towns and resorts. The region is also well known for its trekking, climbing, and skiing areas. The first case was recorded in Himachal Pradesh on 20 March 2020. Its largest single-day spike was recorded on 22 November with 950 active cases, as Kerala has 1,155 largest single-day spike. Comparison Kerala and Himachal Pradesh. So now let's compare the COVID reports from Kerala and Himachal Pradesh of 20th November. Here we chose a particular date for the easy comparison. Here we're going to compare the COVID reports from 20th November. Let's start with Kerala. Information of the graph. Active cases 6,215, recovered cases 5,275, death 25. Bar graph of COVID cases in Kerala. Here you can see the graphical representation of COVID reports in Kerala. As compared to the reported COVID cases, Kerala has very lesser number of deaths and it is 25. Now let's check with Himachal Pradesh. Information of the graph. Active cases 650, recovered cases 270, death 11. Bar graph of COVID cases, Himachal Pradesh, and this is the graph. Bar graph of comparison. Now we are going to compare these two reports. Information of the graph, Kerala and Himachal Pradesh. Active cases in Kerala 6,250, Himachal Pradesh 650, recoveries in Kerala 5,275, Himachal Pradesh 217, deaths in Kerala 25, Himachal Pradesh 11. So now let's see the bar graph of Kerala and Himachal Pradesh. In this graph, we can see that Kerala is at very high level while Himachal Pradesh is low. From the graph, it is clearly visible that the COVID situation is very high in Kerala as compared to Himachal Pradesh. Here we also represent a linear graph for the comparison of the same reports. And this is all about the graph. It was a wonderful learning experience for us while working on this project. The project took us through the various phases of project development and gave us real insight into the topic. We came to know more about the COVID reports in Kerala and Himachal Pradesh and the number of cases, recoveries and death of both states. The joy of work and the thrill involved while tackling the various problems and challenges gave us a feel of inner development. We enjoyed each and every bit of work we put into the project. The content in this PPT was taken from the following links and the YouTube links. Hope you find this video interesting and informative. And finally, I would like to request everyone to ensure your safety, see peace in mind, and let's fight against the COVID-19. Thank you.